Hey guys, welcome back to the Stun Bros video. Today's topic is unjamming your console controller's buttons. Today I'm going to be using an Xbox controller because, PS4 is trash. And let's get right into it. I'm going to be showing you two methods. The first one's kind of gross, but very effective. All you have to do is spit on the button of the controller and click the button about 10 to 20 times and just keep clicking it until it kind of unjams it smooth. I'm not even kidding, this actually works. If you're too disgusted to spit on your perfectly good controller, then just get some rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip and just rub around the jammed button, and that should do the trick. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and check out all the other tutorials we have on this channel. Peace.